T-Mobile Protection 360 is a comprehensive device protection service that combines device insurance, technical support, and security features into a single monthly subscription. The core of Protection 360 is comprehensive device insurance coverage. This includes protection against accidental damage like drops and spills, theft and loss coverage, and mechanical breakdown protection that extends beyond your manufacturer's warranty. Protection 360 also includes comprehensive technical support services. You get 24/7 expert assistance through phone, chat, and video calls. This covers device setup, data transfer assistance, troubleshooting for connectivity issues, and software optimization guidance. The digital security component provides identity monitoring and theft protection, scam call blocking and identification, safe browsing protection, password manager integration, and family safety controls with parental monitoring. Now let's look at the cost structure. The basic Protection 360 plan costs between $7 and $12 per month, varying by device tier. The premium plan for flagship devices runs $15 to $18 monthly. Deductibles range from $29 to $249 depending on your device and the type of claim you're making. So, is Protection 360 worth the monthly cost? The answer depends on your specific needs and usage patterns. The value of T-Mobile Protection 360 isn't the same for everyone. Whether it's worth the investment depends on your specific situation, device usage patterns, and risk factors. Let's walk through who benefits most from this comprehensive protection service. First, let's identify who gets the most value from Protection 360. There are 5 key groups that typically benefit most from this comprehensive protection service. Premium device owners with phones worth $800 or more get excellent value since replacement costs are substantial. Frequent travelers benefit from 24/7 support when connectivity issues arise abroad. Families with multiple devices appreciate the comprehensive security features and streamlined management. Business users who depend on their devices for productivity can't afford downtime, making the same-day replacement feature invaluable. And if you have a history of dropping, losing, or damaging devices, the protection quickly pays for itself. Let's look at the real numbers. Average smartphone repairs cost between $200 and $400, while full device replacement ranges from $800 to $1,200. Protection 360 costs $7 to $18 monthly, depending on your device. Here's the key insight. Just one major incident typically justifies 12 to 18 months of Protection 360 premiums. If you experience theft, significant damage, or need a replacement, you've likely recovered your investment for over a year. Protection 360 isn't ideal for everyone. Budget device users with phones under $300 may find the monthly cost exceeds their device's value. Tech-savvy users who handle their own troubleshooting might not need the technical support features. If you already have comprehensive insurance through other means, or you're an infrequent user with basic needs, the service may provide more coverage than necessary. The key is honest self-assessment of your risk factors and technical comfort level. Use this decision framework to assess your fit. Ask yourself, do you own a premium device? Have you damaged or lost devices before? Do you travel frequently or depend on your device for work? Would device downtime significantly impact your life? Do you value integrated security and family protection? If you answered yes to 3 or more questions, you're likely a strong candidate for Protection 360. The comprehensive protection, support, and security services align well with your needs and risk profile, making the monthly investment worthwhile for your digital lifestyle.